In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer the Wix website to a client. So let's say that we have created a brand new website for a client, and after completing this project, we want to simply transfer the ownership to that particular client. So here's what you can do. First of all, just go to the sites area where all the sites are shown. Just click on this Wix icon right here at the corner, which will firstly take you to the dashboard of an existing site. But let's click again on the Wix logo. And now it will take you to the main section where all the sites are shown. Let's say this is the site that I want to transfer. Just click on select and edit site. I just wanted to show you from scratch so that you won't face any confusion. And after that, this is the main dashboard where all the essential functions are there. Just go to the bottom where it says settings, just click on that. And from here, we have different options, but we want to go to this roles and permissions options. Just go in here. And after that, right now, I am the current owner of this website. As you can see, the role is owner. But if I want to change the owner, you can just head over to the right section, click on this option, and then we will mention the email address of the new site owner. So let me use some of my old email as a sample. And once we have mentioned that, we want to specify how would you describe them as. So this is our client. Just click on this and click on continue. Now it shows me this option, keep my role as a co-owner of this website after the transfer. So if I want to keep myself as a co-owner as well, I will keep it checked. But if you want to completely transfer the ownership to the new owner, we can uncheck this one as well. Also, if you want to create the copy of this website and keep it in your account so that we can work on it on future as well, just as a template base, we can check this as well. So right now I'll keep myself as a co-owner as well, just in case the client wants me to operate or manage the website after the transfer as well. Or let's say I want to protect myself, whatever. Just keep it like this and click on continue, and you can confirm the transfer. It will show you this confirmation of ownership transfer page. Just click on transfer ownership, and then it says transfer invite sent. Now just head over to the Gmail. Now the client will check that email and it will receive something like this. A Wix website is being transferred to you. If you want to accept the transfer, we will click on accept. And I'm currently signed into this account. Let me just sign out from here. And let's take an example that the client will obviously log in with their Google account on the Wix website. So just continue with Google, and this is the client address. Now once we are signed in again, click on accept transfer. You're already accepted to site transfer, go to site. Now this is the client interface. As you can see, the website is showing right here. If the client will go to this main websites section, it will show this website to them. So that's a cool feature. If I just want to go to the dashboard and check the settings of the client, click on settings and roles and permissions. As you can see, the main owner of this website is now the client, and I, which was the editor of this website, is a co-owner or an admin to this page. So that's how you do it. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.